have absolutely no problem setting goals in life, but it's the follow-through that you struggle with? Well, not to worry. In today's video, I will share with you numerous ways to ensure goal success. And today's video is special because I'm sharing a lesson directly from my online transformation course, which normally costs a boatload to gain access to, and you're gaining access for free today. How fun is that? Stay till the end of the video to learn more. Hello, Saarenoja here, and welcome to my channel where I provide you with tons of tips and techniques for living your most successful and fulfilling life fast. If that sounds good to you, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified every week when I post a new video. This course that you are about to get a glimpse into has radically transformed the lives of so many women, and I can't wait to share a snippet of it with you now. Okay, welcome back. In this lesson, we're going to continue the discussion surrounding successful goal making. You now know the value of creating SMART goals, but what do you do once you have a goal in place to ensure your success with that goal or obtaining that goal? A SMART goal defines where you want to go, but beyond the action steps of the progress goal, what can you do to make your goal a success? Well, we've already touched on one of the ways already in the first lesson of this module, but I will cover 5 ways to ensure success of your goals. The first way is to read your goals daily. Remember how I mentioned that in the study done by David Cole, that of the people who created goals that wrote them down and read them on a regular basis made up less than 1% of the population of goal setters, and they increased their financial earnings by 9 times as much as those who didn't write them down or read them often? So that's advice numero uno. Write down your goals and read them twice daily. I recommend reading them once in the morning and once in the evening before you go to bed. It's also not a bad idea to write your goals out and post them where you will see them often, maybe as a screensaver or in your wallet or on your fridge or on your mirror. Maybe you could make yourself read your goals every time you want to open the fridge, or you could place them on your bathroom mirror so you could see them while you brush your teeth every day. But read your goals every day or at least a few times a week. The purpose is to keep your goals fresh in your mind at the forefront of your thoughts so that our subconscious and conscious mind can work together to notice and present opportunities to you relating to your goals as often as possible. Remember the RAS system, the reticular activating system? Keep that in mind as well. The second way to improve the likelihood of obtaining your goals is to use visualization. You now know how powerful it was to use visualization to determine what your goals should be. You have that video or that image in your mind now. So whenever you read through your goals, take a moment or a few minutes actually to visualize each goal before reading the next goal. Use the combination of reading your goals and taking the time to visualize them each time you read them, and it will work wonders for achieving your goals faster. The third way is to share your goals. Tell your goals to people you trust, to people who you know will support your goals. When you share your goals aloud, many things start to happen. You acknowledge and announce that this goal is real and that you are going after it in a public forum. This creates accountability as well, because once the world knows, you will want to achieve it in order to avoid looking foolish or dishonest. You will also gain more confidence in your goals and start to believe them on a deeper level. Another great bonus of sharing your ideas is that once other people know about your ideas, if something comes their way that relates to your goal or reaching your goal, they will most likely pass it along to you. People will want to help you, connect you to others that can help you. The more you talk about your goals, the more opportunities for helping you to achieve those goals will arise into your life. In addition, by stating your goals to others, you might hear some ideas for ways to proceed that you hadn't thought of, or you'll learn of new resources that you weren't aware of before. There are numerous benefits to stating your goals to others, so make a habit of it. However, you don't need to share your goals with everyone. In the beginning, I would avoid sharing them with people who will make fun of you or put you down. The goal here is to build your confidence up, not deflate it. Once you have been working on this goal for a while and you've made some progress, then you'll be more prepared to handle the naysayers or the people that don't want you to succeed in life. Either way, though, when you come upon people that don't believe in you, simply thank them for their opinion and move on. Have grace, but continue to have the gusto to complete your goals. The fourth way is using affirmations. This will help you to reaffirm your ideas and your visualizations for your goals. We will cover how to create a state affirmation in later modules, but know that this is a valuable tool for ensuring you reach your goals in life. It's a tool that helps train your subconscious mind to believe you already have that which you wish for. The last way to ensure your success for your SMART goal is to understand in advance the negative self-talk, fears, and obstacles are just part of the process. Knowing that these 3 things will be riding shotgun with you towards your goal lessens the impact of them slightly because you are ready for them. You know they will be there, and thus gaining the skills in order to work through, tolerate or transform those experiences, that potentially limiting energy into useful, productive, forward-moving energy will be invaluable for you. Think about it this way. As soon as you make a commitment to do something, you write down a goal or you announce a goal to your friend, right away the negative self-talk starts, right? Right away the self-doubt creeps in. You can't do that. What makes you think you're so smart that you can achieve what so-and-so achieved? You're not special. Maybe you decided you wanted to do a marathon run this fall, and as soon as you make it a goal, you start to hesitate. Oh, it's going to be so much work. What if I can't do it? What if I get injured? What if I hurt myself? Maybe I'm too old. Maybe I need to give up on this dream. All the reasons why you can't do it, shouldn't do it, are foolish to even consider doing your goal will magically appear and attack your desired goal. There are many techniques for shutting off or transforming your negative thoughts into more productive ones, which you learned about in Module 1, and this would probably be a good place to utilize those tools. However, the main point I want to make here is to be aware that when you state your goals, when you own your goals, negative thoughts are going to jump all over it. Be ready for it. Fear is going to be with you as well. And that is totally normal. When you are attempting to leave your zone of comfort or zone of familiarity, as I like to call it, you will be met with the unknown, which will be scary, but it does not need to stop you in your tracks. Remember, when I taught you about your emotions and using them as indicators, alerting you to something that needs your attention, well, fear is like an indicator light on your dashboard. It's letting you know that, hey, you're going into unknown territory and to be alert. That's it. Fear basically just wants to say, hey, you, we've never been here before, so let's be careful. Acknowledge that emotion, thank it for the cautionary reminders about embarking on a journey towards change, and keep moving forward. You are stretching yourself into new territory and building a bright future for yourself. It's a good thing when fear and negative self-talk show up because it means you are in the process of change, attempting to make improvements on your life, and that is a great thing. Obstacles will arrive as well. Maybe it's people simply telling you you can't do something. Maybe it's a lack of money or actual laws in place that prevent you from achieving your goals. Maybe it's credentials stopping you, like needing certification or a degree, lacking proper education. Know that obstacles are going to occur and get really good at being resourceful and finding your way over, around, through, or whatever for those obstacles and keep on keeping on. Again, all of these things are signs that you're going into new territory, a new direction in life, trying something new, working towards a different future. You can overcome these things just like you have in your life before, many times before. Where in your life have you overcome fear, negative self-talk, and doubt, as well as environmental obstacles standing in your way? I'm sure you've done it many times. I can give a personal example for this myself. Moving to a foreign country, Finland in particular, there were numerous obstacles for starting my own company. Number one, not knowing the language being the most obvious one. Not knowing the laws or how things worked in Finland was another. Not knowing the cultural, unwritten rules or the acceptable etiquette here was another. Not having a network of people and having to build it up from scratch. But I did it. I overcame every obstacle. Was it hard and more time-consuming than building a business in my own country? Of course. But was it what I wanted to do? Most definitely. Did I shed many tears of frustration and wanting to give up, feeling like everything was against me at times? Of course. But focusing on the little wins, which I knew built up to big wins, kept me sane, kept me going and energized for creating the future I so clearly saw in my mind. And now I'm living it. Do I still come across obstacles, things I don't know how to do, or maybe not even what my next step should be sometimes? Of course, it's part of the process. It's part of the adventure. But it's an awesome ride regardless, and I wouldn't change it for all the fears, tears, negative self-talk, and more. Because every day it gets easier. Every day you gain confidence, you grow, you learn, you become better, and you keep getting steadily closer to your goals. It's exciting. So I want to say it one more time before I finish this lesson. Knowing that fear, self-doubt, failure, and obstacles will be part of the process, and the fact that they are there means you are on a journey towards success. Try to embrace that energy and transform it into productive energy rather than allowing it to halter your success. You've got this. I can tell you that. I know that. So let's recap what you have learned in this lesson. There are tools to ensure your success when it comes to reaching your goals, and those 5 tools that I've exposed to you here are: number 1, write down and read your goals often. Twice a day is my recommendation. Number 2, use visualization. Rewatch that movie you have created in your mind of your future life. Watch it in grave detail every time you read through your goals, giving yourself a few minutes of time to focus on visualizing each goal. Third, share your goals with others. Announce your goals. Become accountable. Put your goals out there in the world. Fourth, use affirmations. Fifth, get comfortable with negative self-talk, fear, failure, and obstacles arising. Knowing and being prepared for these things in advance will help you to stay on track and prevent you from derailing from your goals when they arise. Okay, as always, it's time to head over to your Grow Book now and complete the exercises. Remember, progress towards success, not perfection. Do your best and have fun with it. Good luck, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye for now. I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson on ensuring goal success. Now, if you did enjoy this lesson and want to take the entire course, I will place a link in the description below so you can gain access now. However, if you want more free stuff, I also have a free webinar running right now on how to improve your life fast with 3 easy steps. See the description below for that link as well. Okay, well, if you like this video, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe and or share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with more great tools for living a successful and fulfilling life. Bye for now.